Imagine owning a property where your backyard is a river and your front yard stretches across 64 acres of land. As you arrive at this New York property, the first thing you notice is the scale. You're not stepping into a typical residential setting. You're entering a full landscape of hills, open ground, wooded areas, and natural habitat stretching as far as you can see. With laundry on the main floor adds convenience and everyday functionality. The lower level expands the usable space even further, offering an additional living or entertainment area, multiple utility rooms, a full bathroom, and a large storage or workshop space with walkout access to the outside. This setup gives flexibility for work, hobbies, or long-term use. The house includes updates to key utility systems, providing a stronger foundation for future improvements, while still leaving room for personalization. Now, stepping outside, the property immediately shifts from a house tour to a land experience. A wide front porch overlooks the yard and the Canisteo River, giving you a direct view of water and open space from the home itself. Multiple outbuildings are located on the property, offering additional storage and functional space for equipment, tools, or recreational use. But the defining feature here is the land. With 64.3 acres, the property includes wooded areas, springs, and natural terrain that supports both large and small game.